Hi, James. Guess what? Next month, I'm going on the perfect holiday. I'm going to the Turgen Gorge in Kazakhstan. The place is in a part of the country that is famous for its beautiful forests, hot springs, and lakes. I've heard that it has some of the most spectacular scenery in the world. I can't wait. I'm leaving next week. Paul and Amy, my cousins, are coming with me, so if you're interested, you can come too. There are lots of activities you can do there. The first thing I'm going to do is whitewater rafting. This is where you go down a really fast river with lots of rocks in an inflatable raft. I know it sounds a little dangerous, but they show you how to do everything and they provide all the safety equipment you need, like helmets, wetsuits, and footwear. All you need to take is a swimsuit and towel because you are definitely going to get wet. We're also going to see the famous waterfalls of the Turgen Gorge. There are 7 waterfalls, including the Bozgul Falls, that are so powerful they have made a tunnel all the way through the rock. Finally, we are going to visit Turgen, which is famous for its thick fir forests. This trip is going to be fun. It isn't going to be expensive either. Accommodation prices range from £45 to £70 per night, and the whitewater rafting costs about £155 for the whole experience. So, what do you think? Would you like to come with us? I really hope so. I'm sure we'll have a fantastic time. Talk to you soon, Ben.